how to make money online in 2025 as a social media marketer. First, I'll show you how easy it is to offer your services as a social media marketer. All you need to do is search Google for local businesses. Here, Google will show you some local businesses, and all you need to do is press on their profile info and check out their website, their business, and take a look at their social media profiles, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or others. In this basic example, when we look at this business website, it looks reasonable, but their Facebook business page haven't been updated for nearly a year. What does that mean? That means you can win over this client easily, because Facebook business page is important for any type of business. And if they're pressed for time and they cannot put out content on Facebook, then how easy it is to win over that client. Meaning, to find clients, simply look for local businesses to start with. Or you can find out many e-commerce sites who are always pressed for time. Most of them are, because it's usually operated by one person or one business with limited time resources. And looking at their profiles on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, you may say, okay, you know what? It seems that business can benefit from my expertise. But let's imagine you're just starting out, or you want to create additional income. Let's say you're a student studying, but you're thinking, you know what? I'm using social media profiles for myself, and I know how to put out content, images, videos, and so on. Then, to be able to earn a decent income, what you need to do is, whether it is Facebook, whether it is YouTube, Instagram, you need to learn the advertisement part of that social media profile. In this example, we're looking at Facebook Ads Manager, whereby you can create an account and manage different businesses within your ad account. For Instagram ads, you can use this as well. But let's imagine you want to promote on Reddit. Well, then they have their own, the Ads Manager. Because to be able to promote any business without that knowledge, how can you become social media marketing expert? Because you can easily advertise on Facebook or YouTube or Reddit or any other social media platform. All of them offer you pay-per-click ads, and you want to, master this. You don't have to advertise your clients. You can experiment by boosting your own posts, advertising your own Facebook business page, and so on. But you need to master this. Spend that hour or 2 or 3 to learn the ins and outs of these platforms, as in the advertising part of the platform. Because then, what you can then do is not only find your clients, which is a straightforward process, but you can showcase your knowledge through your website. Remember, your website is your online temple. And therefore, having your website and have a content strategy in place, even if you spend half an hour per week to put out content, what does that mean? Let's imagine a small business owner that you want to win over as a client, as a social media marketer. Then ask yourself, okay, within a certain industry, what would that business owner be searching in Google? Basic example. How to market local business. But you can see how to market small business on social media. All you need to do is answer that question. Because you've gained the experience by experimenting with your own Facebook profile and promoting it, and you learned how to get around the ads manager, whether it's on Facebook or elsewhere, then you know the answer to that question that people are searching for. Now, when you create content answering that useful question that people are searching for, then you'll drive free website traffic to your website. And when you try to win over your new client, then they will come visit your website and know that you are the expert because you've created the content that is useful, because they were looking for that information. Because without that information, you can, or I can say I am the best astronaut on planet Earth. But if I don't have the content, who's going to believe that? Make sense? That's why you want to cover many different angles. First, create your website. It is so simple. It's only going to cost less than $100 for 1 year to have your own website. Using content management systems like WordPress, you can have a beautiful looking website that showcases your expertise, and you invest half an hour, even 1 week. Even if you're a student, you can accomplish that. And then you simply experiment with the tools available to you on the platforms you want to become a social media marketer. Then search Google to see, what kind of keywords that are related to my potential client. What would they be searching Google with? Are they asking questions related to, let's take Facebook as an example, how to market local business on Facebook. You can see all these, you can create the content, use Rankia how-to tutorials, and drive consistent website traffic for free. Then, once you have the content, it is only then you should approach these potential customers by analyzing Google search, looking at their social media presence to say, do they update regularly? In this example, they haven't. That means they're either pressed for time or resources. And if you can provide affordable social media marketing, that's how you grow as a social media marketer in 2025. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Build your online presence from your website. Don't just showcase your services or prices only, but rather your expertise through keyword targeting and content that is useful and original. And Google search box is your friend. Then have your online presence by using your own self-hosting instead of free websites, because you want to present your services professional as you can. Then simply look at search box, identify businesses that can benefit from your service, and simply outreach, send them an email or even call them. That's how you market on social media as a service provider in 2025. For more helpful tips and insights, visit Rankia YouTube channel. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.